Hi everyone. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Riley and welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be harvesting some of these Lunchbox peppers and making an amazing omelet with peppers and cheese. These Lunchbox peppers come from Johnny's Seeds, and this is the 5th year that I've grown them. I absolutely love these. I have 2 different varieties here. I have a red variety called Cornito Rosso, and I have an orange variety called Cornito Giallo. The plants put out plentiful amounts of fruit. You can come in, clip these off, harvest these. The more you harvest, it seems, the more fruit continue to grow on these plants. And I basically harvest these year-round at my garden in South Texas. This is also a great hot weather plant. You can probably see the bed behind me is already empty. It's the middle of July here in South Texas. It is over 100 degrees every day now, and these pepper plants just continue to flourish. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the video description to the webpage Johnny's Seeds, where you can find more information on these peppers, but if you can, I highly recommend giving them a try. Harvesting these things are so easy. All you need is a pair of snippers like this. I like these $1 snippers from the dollar store. They seem to last me a few seasons, and they work perfectly with this narrow end on them. You just want to come in to where the pepper stem is meeting the main stem of the plant. Clip it off just like that. That is a beautiful little sweet Lunchbox pepper. Let me grab a few more of these red ones. Will do for there. Now let me grab a few of these orange. Just come in here, clip it right there, clip it right there. There you go. Let's head over to the outdoor kitchen. We'll cook up this omelet. For my omelet, I'm just going to be using a quarter slab there of butter. I'll drop in the pan right now. I've got 3 eggs. I've got my peppers that we just harvested, and I've got a Mexican blend of cheese here I picked up at the local grocery store. Now, chopping up these peppers, I'll show you how I do one, then I'll go off camera and I'll do the rest of them. Let me do the big one here for you guys. I just cut around the top, just like this. Pull it out. And just cut out the center. Just like that. And normally it will come right out, but it didn't, so we'll cut it right open. There you go. Just pull out the seeds and just rinse it off. Chop these up. I'm just gonna chop it into size about that big. And that's what's gonna go in the omelet. Now I'll go off camera now. I'll chop the rest of these up. Be right back to finish this omelet. All these wonderful peppers are all chopped up already. My 3 eggs, we're going to go ahead and break into this bowl. It's 1, 2, 3. Whisk these up with a fork. I do not add any butter or milk. I don't add any milk or cream to my omelets. I think it was Anthony Bourdain who said you should never do that. But anyway, once I saw that, I've stopped adding it. And I love my omelets and my scrambled eggs just with the eggs whipped like this and nothing else. And that looks great. This is on medium heat here, medium low. We're going to go ahead and add this in. We're going to add the peppers right on top of that. And we're going to let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The bottom is going to firm up a bit. We're going to flip this over and we're going to have our omelet. like to drain some of the egg that hasn't quite cooked on the top. I like to drain it down into the frying pan so that, because I don't have a cover to put on it, we'll make sure the top of this is really cooked well before we flip it. This egg is almost all the way cooked through to the top. I'm going to add the cheese onto this now. Let's take a glob of cheese here, spread that on there. Oh yeah, a little bit more. That is awesome. Let's go ahead, that is really hot. Go ahead now, we'll flip this over halfway. We'll let that cook for a little while just like that. Then we're going to flip it over one more time, get this top side well and truly done, and this lunchbox pepper egg cheese omelet will be finished. Checking the bottom. That side looks really good. Oh, broke it. No worries. So good. We are done. Let's plate this up. There you have it. Lunchbox peppers from Johnny's Seeds, harvested right out of the garden. 3 eggs, some butter, Mexican blend of cheese, and we've got a great omelet. Everybody, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified next week when we put out a new video.